Hello, Paul here from EMD. Just want to show you guys what I'm doing today. This car here had the clutch problem on my previous video. Some of you guys can see it with this one here. So now we got the extra. I had to run a new wiring system. Made up my own wiring harness so I can actually get this light to come on. So now I'm gonna actually. What I found is whoever installed the lights, the reverse light was on the fog light and the fog light was on the reverse light, so I swapped them around and moved the wiring harness to the other side. This is on, so now we're going to actually see if the light works. Sorry, just want to show you this rear Ducktail style spoiler. Looks really nice on a 996 if you ask me. I'm going to deactivate this brake here, this brake light here. So you can only use this one here and those two on the sides. That one, that side there. So let's put the ignition on and hit the brake pedal. So on, off, on, off. So now all I gotta do is deactivate that, so you don't have to worry about. So this one will always work because you don't really need two of those, but it doesn't look nice like that. So I might put some black film on this one here, so to cover it out so you don't see the red. You just want to see this one here and those two, that one there, that one there, and that one there. Alright, let's go to the car now and then have a look at the clutch. Let's give that cover. Oh, now I'm inside the car now. I ordered a brake light switch, sorry, a rear reverse switch for the gearbox is faulty, so when you go to reverse nothing is happening. So I had to test a lot of stuff to get to that one, so I found the problem with that one there. Gearbox back together now, so we're going to start it up and then we're going to make sure the car move forward. That's good news. Alright, put in first gear. Okay, I'm moving. Reverse. I'm moving back, you see it? So, yep, this clutch is working properly. We sorted out the problem. The problem was the actual release bearing and a deformed selector lever due to the actual slave cylinder for the clutch. Broken tip, plastic tip off, and then the actual metal, supposed to be plastic to metal, and then now when that happened, the little plastic tip breaks off, and you have metal to metal. So what happens is that every time you hit the clutch, the slave cylinder rod comes out without that tip, and then it actually scratches and deforms the actual selector lever. So I actually drill it out with the actual special tool. Now it's nice and neat and beautiful, and everything's working on the car. So now I've got to do the other stuff. So I'm going to ask the customer if he wants a reverse camera, because these things here have reverse camera. I can wire it up. This is the PCCM Plus for the actual 996, 997. I can get the actual stuff wired up to the actual car to make it work if he wants it. So reverse camera will be nice, so you can actually have a camera at the back. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.